Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how I do my brows. First things first, you want to comb out your brow, and then you want to take a brown pencil and just outline the outside of your brow following your brow shape as true to your brow shape as you can be. Meaning like you don't want to exaggerate it or draw a different shape above what's already there. Kind of just stay true to your natural brow shape. Then I flip the pencil over to the other side so that I can color in my eyebrow with the pencil. And I just fill in all of the spots and just make sure I get a nice even color all over. Then I brush my brow in the front. I never really use that coloring pencil in the front of my brows. I just draw the line and brush it because it's more natural. And then finally, I just add a powder base to the very top of my brow in order to make it darker and give it more definition. I brush it up a little bit more just to make sure everything's even. And then I apply concealer right underneath. And I blend, and then I blend some more. And I keep blending basically until it looks like it's completely disintegrated into my skin. And that's basically like the finishing touch that I put on my brow. But when you put the concealer underneath the brow, it really helps to define it. And this is basically my everyday natural look. So I hope you guys were enlightened by this video and took something from this brow tutorial. And I will see you guys next week. Thanks for watching.